This time I'm recording audio. It's been a month since I bought my Parrot Bebop 2. I'm shooting a water dam in Jerez, Portugal. And I want to share some thoughts with you about this drone. Since I bought, I increased the limit of altitude to 150 meters and also the speed, the sending speed. I had planes and helicopters that didn't have a long life. But with this drone is different. It's really easy to fly. It's very stable, even in windy days like it was today. And it has a great camera. I have the Skycontroller, the Black Edition, Skycontroller 2. Which I'm using right now with my Galaxy Note 3. The manufacturer says it has a 2-kilometer range. I couldn't fly it that far because I lose streaming. Even in open areas like this, the maximum range I can get without losing streaming is about 400 meters, 500 tops. I don't know why. Maybe you know, and you can tell me on the comments. I'm gonna go to the other side of the dam. Near the other side, the image start to freeze. Luckily there's a return home button in the controller. I use it a lot because I'm always losing signal, video signal. I can control the drone, but I can't see the footage. So I'm in the other side of the dam. I was trying to get to the bottom to see the waterscape. In the end of this footage, when I landed the drone, I don't know why, but the left side, the two rotors on the left side stopped working near 2 feet off the ground. As you can see, the image shakes a bit. It was very windy. I have no experience in flying drones. This drone has 4 hours of flighting. crashes, luckily. But I was a bit nervous to get to the bottom. As you can see, if something went wrong, I couldn't recover the drone. And it's a very expensive toy to lose after 4 hours of flight. The battery life, it's about 20 minutes, which is very nice. It has an internal memory of 8 gigabytes. It's a shame that we can't insert an SD card, a micro SD card, to increase the memory. I was looking down to see if there wasn't any trees. This waterscape looked a lot closer than it actually was. And this is the near of the bottom of a dam I was.